So today, we see the blessedness being given to Tatang Gregorio as having reached 100 years in his life. But I would want us to focus as well on our own blessings, because blessings would come in many forms. So this, brothers and sisters, I would want us to look, remember. Of course, we celebrate the blessedness of Tatang Gregorio with his 100 years. But nevertheless, we also have to look into our own blessings, our own blessedness.
Tatang, may sakang pagwadan, iakas may isang asawa na hindi nagawan inami, ani Silvestra. Ken kastamet na pagwadan kami, nga ama, dagiti anak mo.
I'm lucky to be your daughter and you are the best dad ever. Thank you with all your sacrifices.
Happiest birthday again, Tatang. We love you.
Blessedness of Tatang Gregorio, 100 years na. Blessedness the family, for sure. Papanunutin tayo, no, gosat ni Tatang Gregorio, di pamilyana. Nagwagwapo, nagpipintas.
Aldaw mo, ket sapay kong mata, agtultuloy ti parabor ti apo kanyam, ken ti pamilya tayo. I love you, Tang.
Sapay ko mata, nasalun at kayo nga kanayon. And we love you so much.
We are always praying that you still have, a lot of, more years to live so that we can get to enjoy time with you. And we could also repay or show you how much we love you.
Hi Tatang, wishing you your 100th birthday from your favorite apo, Raven.
100 years old, Kan, you're so blessed. But we are also blessed because ada ka pa lang ma-enjoy me. We love you very much. Happy birthday. Yay! 100! Whoa, oh, oh, oh. Whoa, oh, oh.
Doesn't really matter what we do. Don't let the moment pass us by. Just trust that the universe is right. 'Cause we struck gold in the shining light, and it's all gonna be alright. This is the good life. Oh, 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 oh. This is the good life. Is the good life. Whoa, oh, oh, oh. Whoa, oh, 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 oh. Whoa, oh, oh, oh. Whoa, oh, 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 oh. I just wanna spend every day with you, happy with the little things we do.
Thank you so much for everything you've done to build our family up from the ground. And to get where we are now, it's such a blessing.
Thank you, Te Amin, Tang. We love you.
'Cause we struck gold in the shining light, and it's all gonna be alright. This is the good life. Oh, 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 oh. This is the good life. Oh, oh, is the good life. Whoa, oh, oh, oh. Whoa, oh, 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 oh. Whoa, oh, oh, oh. Whoa, oh, 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 oh.
Tagasiksika din
Cause we struck gold in the shining light, and it's all gonna be alright. This is the good life. Oh, 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 oh. This is the good life. Oh, 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 oh. Out in the sunshine, nothing but good times. This is the good life. This is the good life. Whoa.